Boulevard. Why it seemed like we were on Wilshire Boulevard last night?
In 700 feet, bear left at the traffic light onto California 2 and then turn left. Bear left at the traffic light onto California 2.
Oh, they're sending us to a destination. Sunset Boulevard. Not too far from here. So Santa Monica Boulevard is a long boulevard. Oh my goodness, I just swallowed a fly. So I was just walking and I thought we had to check in on the outside. Only to feel like a little, really tiny thing just flew right in my mouth.
That was Valley Park and she was going to.
And then it just happened me just like that little thing just sticks somewhere in the back of my tongue. So I'm having fly with my dinner tonight. I don't know what kind of fly it is. Could be a poisonous one. So I'm a little scared right now.
The fly already. It's a lot of protein. I told her just eat it.
It's not even anything to get any protein from because it's so tiny. It's like smaller than an ant. It's like
a lot of protein. Yeah, right.
But anyway, my choke just keeps because of that little stupid fly. So my eyes are very tired. It's clearly sick. I'm a little irritated too, but I'll be fine by tomorrow. And this one is taking some real gorgeous picture.
Hi.
But this is what she likes. She's like totally happy with that.
I like the restaurant.
I could get her eyes to shine anytime I just bring her somewhere foodie. Hope she enjoy your food though. It's a little bit of a little food involved.
First of all, I didn't understand the menu. I think I picked something.
It's really upscale, like really upscale, the menu. First, second, third, fourth, first. And I know it's a little bit of food, but I'm not saying anything. Well, hopefully we'll be full.
It's okay because if I'm not full, I'm something in and out working. I know where it is. It's off Beverly Hills Drive. Is it? No. I don't know. Wherever it is, it's close.
I think I get that little thing out now on my throat. Yep.
Nice.
Oh my god, I finally got the fly out. So that was it. Oh my goodness, I almost swallowed a fly.
She already chewed the fly up.
No, I know it was still there because it was itching. Let me see what attacked me outside. Thank God this little thing is out.
Jay, could you put the fly away?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course. Pardon me, miss. How's our dinner so far?
dinner's
Are we celebrating anything particular tonight, or are we just a night out?
We're just in town and
Oh, where are we visiting from?
New York.
Oh, welcome. I left a little bit. Pleasure, of course. Would you like a photo, you two, or will we,
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
In with something. Let's see her face. Birdie. And the mashed potato look really creamy and nice. And I'm having sea bass. Always have sea bass. And we're ready to dive.
I'm ready to dive in.
I want to see you eat the chicken.
Yes.
Go ahead. Oh, tender.
Very tender.
Wow.
Very tender. It's very tender, but its knife is very sharp. Let's find out.
Very tender. Good. Hot dog. I could say. All right, my turn. All right. You gotta look right leaves. I think it's a trend. All right. This is how I like my sea bass. Oh. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, flaky.
Yeah.
So the little thingy to go with it. And it's hot. I'm not gonna do like babes and put it all in my mouth and burn myself. Ooh, look at the steam coming out of that.
It's hot.
That's what I'm talking about.